Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the rear windshield wiper on an Audi Q7. First, gather your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off for safety. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into its service position, standing upright from the glass. This prepares the arm for the next steps. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You will find a small release tab or button. Press or lift this tab firmly to disengage the locking mechanism. Once released, simply slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should come off with minimal effort, revealing the bare wiper arm. With the old blade removed, it is time to install your new one. Take the new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it has locked into place. Give the new blade a gentle tug to ensure it is firmly attached and will not come loose during operation. For the final steps, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear windshield of your Audi Q7. Ensure it rests flat against the glass. Next, turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper function. Watch the new blade as it operates, checking for smooth movement and effective clearing of the window. It should provide a clear, streak-free view.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.